Everyone, this is Nitish Jain and I'm a product owner at Docyt. Today I'm going to show you how you can see the labor metrics, do labor analysis and view labor reports inside Docyt. So Docyt currently supports integration with Paychex through which you can pull all the time clocking data and view the labor metrics. So current metrics that we support are regular hours, regular wages, OT hours and OT wages. So for any particular metric, if you can see the data fetched on daily basis. So it's like for a particular date, this is the value of the metric. If you go inside, we also support a granular view of this metric. So for example, for regular wages, for this employee, this is the department and this is the value of the metric. So this is how user can see metrics at a granular level inside Docyt. Additionally, we have labor reports. So in the report section, there is labor reports option available. If you click on labor report, you can have a view of these metrics in a report format. So we have department-wise total wages, department-wise regular wages, department-wise overtime wages. Similarly, for hours, we have department-wise total hours, we have department-wise regular hours, and we have department-wise OT hours. So this is how you can see metrics related to labor analysis in Docyt and also how you can see labor reports in Docyt. Thank you.